So the boarding was very smooth. This is the seat. Pretty spacious seats. You can see here. And then you can put stuff here. So we have bottle of wine. We have some snacks because this airline charges for everything. We have little table, standard table. They said it's 95% full, so it means we'll be very full, not like now. We sneaked in before the time. I think group number one was boarding. We are group number 4, so we sneaked in illegally. Standard instructions, a little bag, menu, so everything here. You can order food. How about some drinks? Here we go. That's interesting. So yeah, so wine and champagne. I paid $25 at the duty free for entire bottle of wine. Here, small bottle, so 1/4 of the bottle is like $11. You have some cocktails, some chips. We bought some donuts for breakfast and sushi for dinner. So yeah, that's the plane, and our flight time will be probably 12 or so hours. So aisle seat. Yeah, good flight.